Dear students, I welcome you to the grammar class. The topic is types of sentences. I have already discussed in my previous class about the simple sentences. Now we shall discuss about compound sentences. What is a compound sentence? The sentences which have two or more than two independent clauses and joined by coordinating conjunctions are known as compound sentences. Again, the sentences which have two or more than two independent clauses and joined by coordinating conjunctions are known as compound sentences. Let us see examples. For examples, you see the blackboard and also your grammar book, page number 18. He joined the English essay competition and won the first prize. Second sentence, you may stay here or go home. In these above sentences, we have two finite clauses. In other words, each sentence has two independent clauses. In sentence 1, the two independent clauses are: first independent clauses, he joined the English essay competition, and also the second independent clauses, he won the first prize. In the second sentence, first independent clause is you may stay here or here you may go home. So, in these two sentences, we see two independent clauses. First is, he joined the English essay competition, he won the first prize. Second sentence. In the second sentence, you may stay here or you may go. In these two sentences, there is a coordinating conjunction and also or. These two independent sentences are joined by coordinating conjunctions and also or. So, to say, the sentences which have two or more than two independent clauses and joined by coordinating conjunctions are known as compound sentences. So, these two sentences are compound sentences. In these two sentences, the first clause, he joined the English essay competition or you may stay here. The first clause is, these two sentences are called a main clause. And other clauses are coordinating clause. Here coordinating clause is, he won the first prize and also you may go home. So, in a compound sentence, the first independent clause is main clause and other clauses are coordinating clauses. Now, we see the coordinators and uses of coordinators in the sentences. And he came and stayed for a week. Here there are two sentences, independent sentences. He came and he stayed for a week. Here and is coordinator. He came, he stayed for a week. But he is very hardworking. But he is really not intelligent. Here main clause is he is very hardworking. Coordinating clause is he is really not intelligent. And the coordinator is what? Next, 8. He is not rich. 8. He is happy. Here MC main clause he is not rich. And the coordinating clause he is happy. Coordinator 8. Still, she did not do much work, but still he passed the examination. Here main clause she did not do much work. Coordinating clause she passed the examination. Here coordinator is still. But we repare. Nevertheless, there was no news. Nevertheless, she went on hoping. Nevertheless means ta satve, tathapi. Here main clause is there is no news. Coordinating clause is nevertheless she went on hoping. She went on hoping. Nevertheless is coordinator. Or he watches television or goes out to the playground. He watches television MC. He goes out to the playground. Coordinating clauses. So here coordinator is or else work hard or else you will fail. Work hard means you work hard. MC or else coordinator you will fail. Another coordinating clause. Otherwise take care. Otherwise you will fail. Take care means you take care. It is main clause. You will fail. Another coordinating clause, independent clause. Otherwise coordinator. Therefore he was taken ill. Therefore he could not attend the party. He was taken ill MC. Therefore coordinator. He could not attend the party or coordinating clause. Now see either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. Neither nor, either or, not only but also, both and are also called correlative conjunctions or correlatives. Why? For they go in pairs. କାହିଁକି ନା ସେମାନେ pairs ଏକାଠି ଦୁଇଟି ଯାକ conjunction ଯିବେ. They go in pairs are related to each other. They are related to each other. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. They go together. Go in pairs and related to each other. These correlatives usually join two alternatives. Now see, either you live or I will. You will live or I will. Here conjunction is either or, correlatives. Neither nor. He is neither handsome nor smart. He is handsome. He is smart. He is neither handsome nor smart. Here correlative is neither nor. Not only but also. He not only liked the house but also bought it. He liked the house and also bought it. He liked the house, main clause. He also bought it, coordinate clause. Here coordinator is not only but also. Both and. He can both sing and act. He can sing and he can act. Here, correlative join the two sentences, independent sentence, both and. Next we see so, for, besides. So, I was very hungry. So, I want to have an early lunch. Here main clause, I was very hungry. I wanted to have an early lunch, another independent clause joined with coordinator so. He found it increasingly difficult to read, for his eyes were falling. Here he found it increasingly difficult to read, main clause. For his eyes were falling, coordinating clause. Here coordinator is for. Besides, I don't want to go to the cinema. Besides, I am feeling tired. I don't want to go to the cinema. Main clause. Besides, coordinator, and I am feeling tired. Another independent clause, that is coordinating clause. Now see activity 5. Here combine each pair of following sentences into a compound sentence using conjunctions such as and, but, or, so, a, for, otherwise. See, first sentence, he finished his exercise. He put away his books. Here, he finished his exercise. You put here, so, coordinator. He finished his exercise, so, he put away his books. Here, you can put so. Or you can put and in this sentence. He finished his exercise and he put away his books. Let us see. Second, he must not be late. He will be punished. You can join these two independent sentences by using the coordinator. Must not be late, he will be punished. He must not be late, otherwise he will be punished. Here you can put the coordinator otherwise. He must not be late, otherwise he will be punished. Next question, sentence number 3. Make haste. You will be late. Make haste. Here also you can put the coordinator otherwise. Make haste. Otherwise you will be late. Here you can put another coordinator or. Make haste or you will be late. See sentence number 4. He is rich. He is not contented. He is rich. Here you can put the coordinator 8. He is rich. 8. He is not contented. Here you can also put another coordinator but. He is rich but he is not contented. You see sentence number 5. He was horrified. He saw a blood stain on the floor. Here you can put the coordinator for. He was horrified for he saw blood stain on the floor. Next you can use another coordinator by he saw blood stain on the floor, so he was horrified. You can alternate the sentence. Second sentence come to the first, then you use the first sentence. He saw blood stain on the floor, so he was horrified. You can use both the coordinator for and so in this sentence. Now see question number 6. Sentence number 6. He tried hard. He did not succeed. He tried hard, but he did not succeed. He tried hard, but he did not succeed. Next, you see sentence number 7. They took every precaution. Precaution means satarkata. They took every precaution. They suffered from the disease. They took every precaution. 8. Here you can use the coordinator 8. 8. They suffered from the diseases. Now see question number 8. I have a lot of work. I must do it now. I have a lot of work. You can use the coordinator so. I have a lot of work, so I must do it now. Be good. You will be happy. Be good and you will be happy. The coordinator you use and. Next, question number 10. He practiced daily. He became an expert player. He practiced daily. Here you use coordinator so. He practiced daily, so he became an expert player. When you use the coordinator and join the sentence into one as compound sentence, here the full stops becomes comma. Full stop gudago comma heijibo, and you put the full stop at the last of the sentence, compound sentence. Now see activity number 6. Combine each pair of following sentences into a compound sentence using one of the correlatives, either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. See sentence number 1. Energy is necessary for success in life. Patience is also necessary for success. Here you can use correlatives both and. Both energy and patience. Both energy and patience is necessary for success in life. Both energy and patience is necessary for success in life. Now see sentence 2. I have left my glasses on the bus. I have left my glasses at the office. You can use correlatives either or in this sentence. I have left my glasses either on the bus or at the office. I have left my glasses either on the bus or at the office. Next, see sentence number 3. He cannot speak English. He cannot speak Hindi. Here you can use correlatives neither nor. He can speak. He can speak neither English nor Hindi. He can speak neither English nor Hindi. Now see question number 4. The boy is very healthy. He is also very happy. The boy is not only healthy. The boy is not only healthy but also very happy. The boy is not only healthy but also very happy. Next you see question number 5. He does not drink tea. He does not drink coffee. He drinks neither tea nor coffee. he drinks neither tea nor coffee. Now see question number 6. She draws pictures neatly. She also paints them beautifully. She not only draws pictures neatly but also paints them beautifully. She not only draws pictures neatly but also paints them beautifully. Now see question number 7. The artist will sing for us. They will dance for us. The artist will both sing and dance for us. The artist will sing. Artist will both sing and dance for us. Here you can use not only. The artist will not only sing but also dance for us. So, dear students, now the English class about compound sentence is over. Wait for the next class to know more about complex sentence. Thank you all. Now the class is over.